Very good morning, friends. So today again I came back in front of all of you with new story, with new points which is ongoing in our nation very broadly, and we cannot understand till when it will run because everything depends on money and channels, media is everything is depends on only money. If you are having the bulk of amount, then everything you can gain, everything you can telecast every time as you want. One thing I want to understand that by telecasting this the kind of information every time on the channels is the right way to get rid from these kinds of drugs which is ongoing. No, never can get rid from this. What is the right way? A right way is only one. If you have busted the case, you are telecasting the things on channel, then this is the also responsibility you to popularize to this thing till the culpable person is not getting the punishment, hard punishment. Until he is not getting, your showing on channel not will be any not will be any advantages for the nation, for the youth of new generation of nation. Because if the punishment is not getting, the nation youth will understand, if I am having money, my family is belonging from richest family, then also we can handle, also we can approach a higher level lawyer and can get advocate and can get a bail from the jail. So what is the need of showing such kind of telecasting every time on the channels? Every time any channels, only Ananya Aryan Saru and new lawyer of that person Rohit, I don't know, I forgot the name of that. I know everything in this nation is a sale, on sale. Everything you can sell, everything you can purchase, but one thing is very mandatory, that is how much you are giving the price of that. Price should be good, everything you can purchase. What is the need of this? What is the grassroots things of this nation? You are not showing to that. You are not telecasting to that. By showing farmers' basic problems can get rid, farmers' basic requirement which is ongoing since last 1 year can get, never. So to those things which is very mandatory for the nation. Where is the poverty level? Where is the education system right now in our nation? Where is the UGC net exam? Where is the UGPG exam, half yearly, quarterly and yearly exam? Where is the situation? What will be the situation of the nation after 2 or 3, or I think after 10 years later, when these the young generation which is right now in class 2 or 3, after 10 years later, what will be the situation of the nation when they will not be able to write a single sentence in Hindi or in English, because they are not going to school, they are not going to visit school for learning any point, they are forgetting everything, they are at home. Government and uh, strengthened agencies are not thinking about this, the point that what could be the after some time, after 10 years later of this the children who is right now in home, until when he will be in home, it is not also certain. So these are not basic things which you are showing, which you are always telecasting on channels. So to that thing which is mandatory for the nation, once, twice, thrice, it is also mandatory to show the busting cases of drugs. It's also mandatory to know the nation about the real face, about the character of the person, what is the real face and what is the in internal soul of that. Mandatory to this, not decline to it, not criticizing to it, but it should be also a limit of everything. Why are you not showing the Hathras case? Why are you not showing the Lakhimpur Khiri case? Where is the compensation of those the families? They obtained to that compensation or not? Or that was only on paper? That was only given the commitment of UP or BJP government only on vocally. This is the also your also backup point na. As you are telecasting to this thing, your responsibility is also to go and get that information that family is surviving uh, easily or not, what is happening, what happened of those who is wounded in that uh, car ran over case. What is about the farm law cases which is ongoing since last 1 year? Show to that thing, that is mandatory. What will be of one khade Samir one khade, what will be of Ajit Deshmukh, what will be of NCP, what is the this disgusting cases? Only so the valid thing, by that nation can get something. ओके, होप हमारे पॉइंट अच्छे हैं कि नहीं है, आई डोंट नो इट, बट आवर कंसर्न इज सो द वैलिड पॉइंट every time. This at every channel. When will you open, then get only the information about Ananya, Aryan, Shahrukh, whatever. What is of this? हमारे तो समझ में नहीं आता कि इस चैनल पे क्या लगाओ. Just shut the TV and do rest only, because every time you are seeing to that case, and what will happen of that, you are understanding to that. What will happen in future of this case, we are understanding to that as well. Only one thing, that is increasing the TRP. By that, getting to get that TRP only, this is the drama, this is the conspiracy you can say, or this is the puppet, as we can say. Channels are puppet right now of the government. If government will say, then the telecasting will be. Government will not say, government mood will not be in that positive direction, then media will not show to that. This is the real fact. Modi is in Uttarakhand telecasting of that. Everyone can go, everyone can unveil the statue, can go and launch the scheme inauguration of the statues, backup, recovery, and socialize to that thing in very broadly. Where is the poor person? They are getting 2 times bread or not? Where is the employment situation? कहाँ है रोजगार, कहाँ है? Nobody is saying to this. Just UP election, Punjab election, Bihar election, saying to this and focus on only that. Rally, do virtual rally, physical rally, whatever could be. Do everything, forget the chair of CM chair and CM chair, PM chair. Only to this thing, only to this narration of no motion, only to this concept of everyone's. रियल इश्यूज पे बात करना भी एक ज़रूरी पॉइंट है. इफ़ यू आर बिलोंगिंग फ्रॉम द नेशन, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द कार्ड ऑफ नेशनैलिटी ऑफ दिस, then what is the real issue ongoing? Concern about that. Otherwise the situation will be very worsening. Hope you will all understand. If anyone is understanding word, would have understood word or wrongly, sorry for that. This is my personal opinion, this is my personal thought, as I think, as I concern about this. Hope you will understand. In future again I will meet you. Till then, bye bye, have a great day. Thank you.